Hello everyone, this is Siddharth Sinha, roll number 20IE135, and this is the video demonstration for our final DIY project. For this particular project, we have constructed a social distancing detector from scratch using the techniques of OpenCV Python library as well as the YOLO v3 algorithm, keeping in mind the pandemic situation. Let's see how effective our social distancing detector has been in figuring out the social distancing violations in real life practical scenarios. Here you can see our social distancing detector is very effective in detecting the people as well as calculating the distances between the two. If the distance between the two is supposedly gets lower than 6 meters, the social distancing violations count increases. If the social distancing violations count is greater than 2, then an alarm goes on which has been enabled using the Playsound library of Python. This effectively would help us to make sure that people follow the social distancing norms that have been established by the WHO. As you can see, the social distancing detector is actually very effective in detecting the people, and even in cases where it is not possible for the human eye to detect people, the YOLO v3 algorithm is sufficiently able to do so. Let's have a look at another practical real life example. This is an example from India itself, which is a usual street morning in India. As you can see, in scenarios where people are not exactly visible, or when people are sitting, or when people are over vehicles, our algorithm is sufficiently able to detect them in order to calculate the social distancing violations very effectively. Therefore, the social distancing detector can also be employed in places where the population density is huge, or where people are visible even on vehicles, or when the entire body of the person is not visible. As a result, even in these busy street case scenarios such as those prevalent in India or China, the social distancing detector works perfectly well, as you can see. Let's have a look at another example. This is an example from a busy street and from somewhere in South America. As you can see, even in this scenario where there are a huge number of social distancing violations, where there is huge amount of crowding, as well as the camera angle is slightly tilted and it is actually an overhead angle, our social distancing detector is still able to very effectively detect people in the frame and accurately calculate the number of social distancing violations, and letting go of the alarm as soon as social distancing violations number increases above 2. You can see the practical implementation of the social distancing detector in various cases and see how effective it has been and how it can be used as a practical solution to making sure that people follow the social distancing norms that have been established by the WHO. We see immense potential in the use of computer vision and deep learning techniques in order to come up with practical and cheap solutions to problems such as these. We had taken upon ourselves in order to come up with a practical solution to make sure that people follow social distancing norms. We have successfully come up with this social distancing detector, as you can see, which can be implemented in webcams and therefore can be used as a very essential tool in order to deal with people who are very adamant and do not follow the social distancing rules. Thank you for listening. This marks the end of our DIY project. Thank you.